Hey there, I just wanted to stop by and give you a quick testimonial on my journey so far. After using the system, making money online, it just has never been so easy for me. All I had to do was follow these simple instructions and everything was set up nicely in less than 30 minutes. And I'm already on my way to making $18,000 this month. The best part is I get to travel around the world and work anywhere I want. It truly is a dream come true.
When I first heard of this system, I was very skeptical. I had been investing a lot of money into different online courses, and none of them have ever worked for me. I really wanted to give up. But when I discovered this system, I decided to give it a try. And guess what? Within a week, I was already making more than $7,000. This is unbelievable. I can finally start paying off my debts. I just wanted to give a huge thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Hi there, just wanted to share my experience with the system so far. A brief background of myself. As single mom, it was difficult for me to make ends meet to support my two children growing up. I've been struggling financially for the past 10 years, but this system really changed my life. When I first got started, I didn't have any experiences, but the instructions were so simple and detailed. I actually made $300 within the first day. And in the next 3 months, I made a total of $31,820. Now I'm able to quit my job and spend time with my children.